Good morning students. Today we will do chapter 2 spreadsheet formulas and function. We already started this chapter. Today we will continue this chapter from our compound formula and using formula on text and cell range, cell reference and its types. So today we will start from here. Here is a compound formula and how we can add here two numbers. Suppose we entered here data, like how we can simple just here calculate, right? Now here is, first of all we enter data here. Okay, units salt. Okay, here is one, this is your ABC columns and these are your rows. Number one here month. Suppose you enter here January, then February, then here is, you can select these and from at the dot you can drag. Okay, then April, May and June. Suppose 6 months. Okay, January, February, March, April and May and then June. Right, now number of units sold in these, suppose here is 1000 and here is 2000 and 3000. Oh sorry, here is 3000 and here is 1500 and here is 2500 and here is only 20. Okay, now here is 20. So in this, here is we want to calculate here total sales. So we can apply here formula with the help of auto sum option. Okay, here is number one, click on home, then here is select your range which you want to add, then click here on auto sum function is here, then click here, then you can see total will display here. Now in the formula bar, here is, you can see which formula you applied here. In this cell we applied here sum. Okay, from B2 to B7. Here is two columns between B2 to B7. It means this is a range from B2 to B7. This is our B2. Okay, and B2, this is our B7. And here is sum B2 to B7. Sum display here. This is a first method. And without auto sum you can also do sum here. You first of all you apply here formula, then press here is equal to, then click on cell which you want to add. Here is, then again press plus sign, then select next this one, then again plus, then again plus, then now it's okay. Now this is our from B2 to B7. From January to July we want to calculate here total sales. Then press enter. After entering here cell address which you want to add, then press here enter. Then sum will display in this cell also. Now what we have done here is, in this cell we applied here formula. So formula bar display here B2 to B7 cells or our addition here. Right, this is our simple just formula. Now next is our compound formula. Compound formula, in this formula we calculate here simple interest. Okay, in simple interest we need principal, then rate, then time. Okay, now next is here we enter here, suppose principal is 4500 and our rate is 5%. No need to enter here percent, you have to only here digits. Okay, time 3 years. Right, now here is, you want to calculate here simple interest. Simple interest. Now